Okay, so let's say you've been given these numbers to add zeros to them. Normally when we enter our telephone numbers, we want them to start with zeros, but here is the case when you start with a 0, 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 8, 3. The 0 vanishes. And so today I'm going to teach you how you can add the zeros and the zeros would stay put. Now the first method is you start with an apostrophe before you type the 0. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 3. Okay, our 0 stays. Now the second method is to copy the numbers here. Right click and go to format cells, then come to custom, and where they have typed general, our numbers should have 10 digits, so you type 10 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you click OK. Now you have your zeros here. Now the final method is for the advanced formula users. So you type equal to, then put the 0 in inverted commas, then end, select the number, then hit enter. There is your number. You can drag it down, or you can fast fill, and you have your work complete. Thank you.